Okay, here he goes. I'm in my car. It seems like the oil is kind of the fuel pressure is kind of primed. It starts anytime I put the key in the car or turn off a light. I hear the fuel pump whir a little bit, and that needle popped up from 0, went to 40, down to 30. Now it's kind of gradually going down from 30. So I'm going to try to start the car. Remember, the car's not going to start. I'm going to try to start the car and see if that hits 72. That's the goal, has to get to 72. But right now, let's turn the car on. The engine's off. Even the ignition's off. Ignition on. Okay, nothing changed because it's already at around, it was already around 30, but here it goes. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that went perfectly to 72. And now it goes down to 40. So the oil pump is fine. The fuel pump is fine. It's hitting 72 exactly. Oh, now I gotta figure out what else the problem is. Goodbye.